Hello guys, back to another video, and today we're going to be doing Slime-tastic with me! And this is my Jiggly Blue Slime. We're basically just going to be reviewing our slimes. And yeah, my brother's being stupid in the background, so just ignore him. This is my Jiggly Blue Slime. Super good. He has whipped cream everywhere on him. So that's it for that slime. It's a great slime. This is only like a quarter of my slime. It's not even like half of a quarter. I don't know what that is called, but yeah. Shut up. This is slime. This is my Jiggly. No, this is not my Jiggly. This is my butter slime. It's a butter blue slime, and he's cooking popcorn. He's literally cooking popcorn at 4. Like, who does that? Let me. I hate this slime. At 4:09. 4:10. Me. 4:10. He's cooking popcorn. That's weird, but this is my butter slime, and I love it. It's super big. This is only like half a quarter of my slimes. Yeah! Let me do a bone. Stop being like Poppy. He loves that show for some reason. I'm like, it's a baby show. No, I don't. La. Stop with the spoons. Alright, so I'm done with this slime. Let me do this slime. Watch until I shove that down your throat. What is so funny? This is my Did you cook it for 2 minutes?
No.
We'll put it back in there.
2.
How many did you put it in for?
Like
a minute?
Yeah.
Put it in for another minute. Not 2.
Okay. I didn't.
Go fix it. Obviously you didn't, because it's still at 144. You put it in for 2. This is a green metallic slime. I love it. But it's kind of a little bit hard. See? This is not mine. This is my brother's he made. He was just playing with it. I'm like, give me that slime. I'm doing a video. Shut up. It's freaking annoying. You guys are so lucky that you don't. You literally screamed in my ear.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's sticky.
But it's
so good. Oh, and I'm going to show you my kitty box fort. No, boy, stop. I'm not going to show you it. Look at that. It's so stretchy, so creamy, and it is a clear blue slime. I don't like the color blue. It's like a tealish color. It's like this color, but like way bluer. This next one, I do not like the color. Oh, this is a great slime. I do not like the color of the slime. I called it vomit, but I do like the stretch and poke. It's a vomit green. I hate it.
Done.
Put it in a bowl then. What am I supposed to do? Mommy, alright, next step. You put it in the microwave for 1 more minute. And then you break it out. And you put it...
Okay.
No, what? And then you put it back in the bag. Like... It has lotion in it. Oh my god, this is... Not a pretty slime, I wouldn't say. But it's a super good slime. Look at that stretch.
I see popcorn. I see a mama. Alright, popcorn, guys.
That's my vomit slime. Stop. Showing you guys. This is my last slime. Shut up.
Baby. I love that song.
I hate that song.
You love that song.
This is a sticky
You love Sis vs. Blow.
No, I don't even watch that show. I don't even know what you're talking about.
You love Sis vs. Blow.
Shut up. I don't even know what you're talking about.
Sis vs. Blow.
Freaking gosh.
My fucking gosh. Wow, you added that.
Watch out.
Watch out, cause I like baby.
Look at it. It's like a booger slime. I love it. It's like a light green, but it's clear. You can't throw the popcorn bag.
That
It's like popcorn.
no, you're not having it. Yeah, that's good stuff for me and acting. Yeah, YouTubers. Here you go, YouTubers, eat it.
Yeah. YouTubers eat it. Eat the popcorn. The popcorn. The popcorn. The popcorn. I'll eat it now. Eat the popcorn. Fine, I'll eat it. I'm just gonna put it in my slime then. And I will be giving away a slime if you guys comment down below what your favorite slime is and say slime rules in the comments down below, and give this video a thumbs up and like and subscribe, people.